can do all by yourself.
She's holding the bottle by herself today.
Hold it up, honey. There you go.
Good job, Isabella.
Good job, honey. Good job.
Today's the first day she's holding the bottle by
She's
herself.
never done this before, Terry. She's holding it by herself. You're seeing her first. Good job, honey. There you go. Gotta get your hand underneath, honey, so you can hold it up. Oh no, come on, honey. There you go.
There's 4 ounces in there. And she's drinking.
Oh, she's getting air. It's a little too empty now for her. She's got to hold it at a certain angle. There you go. Look at that. Good girl, honey. She knows. Good girl. Hold your bottle, honey. Hold your bottle. Hold your bottle. There you go. Good girl. Good girl, honey.
I'm gonna help her.
Is she pooping?
I think she did a little fart. Look at that.
Good girl, honey. Good girl, honey. Oh my gosh, she's growing up. Gotta hold it, honey. She's pooping, I think.
Keep eating, honey. There's 4 ounces in there.
Too much.